Hello everyone, this is Kweku from Next Gen Windows, and some big news is coming out of the Windows 10 front. As we just found out, Microsoft is planning on pushing a new browser coming with Windows 10 along with Internet Explorer. The code name is Spartan, and this comes from a source, a very familiar source from Mary Jo Foley on zdnet.com, where that source says that he overheard Microsoft talking about releasing a Spartan browser. It's Project Spartan. That is the code name of it, Spartan browser. Now, previously, people were thinking Spartan is the code name for the next version of Internet Explorer, Internet Explorer 12. But at the same time, Microsoft might be, in fact, rolling out two browsers with Windows 10. One as the backwards compatible browser, which is uses extensions and all that other stuff. Being Internet Explorer 12, and then the next browser, the new browser that's supposed to be released alongside it, being Spartan, Project Spartan. We don't know what that is. We don't know anything about it. We just know it's supposed to be a new browser, and it should roll out with Windows 10. Again, these are all rumors, but who knows? Some of these rumors could possibly be true. So it's interesting to note that Spartan is a new web browser, and the reason why I wanted to bring this up is because if you look right here on this screen, where I'm looking at, obviously, here is IE for desktop opened with this article up from Mary Jo Foley, and here is IE Metro or IE Modern UI app or IE Windows Store app, whatever you choose to call it. Now you can see the big differences in IE for the Windows Store and IE for desktop. So we're gonna have IE definitely the same classic IE we are all known to love. Maybe just revamped. It's gonna look Chrome-like, so it's gonna probably have tabs. A lot of people are saying it's gonna have tabs like Chrome, and it's gonna have like one search bar, just like how this is I think it's called a unibar or something like that. But it's gonna have one search bar that lets you search and type in web addresses, and then it's going to have tabs. But it's not going to be laid out just like this. It's going to be a little different. We don't know what it's going to look like yet, but there's a hope and chance that Microsoft might be talking about this thing during the January 21st event that they're planning on having in 2015, where they're trying to talk about the consumer preview for Windows 10, which I'll definitely be getting my hands on and doing a deep video on. And as well as Microsoft might even be talking about what the next version of Xbox One, the OS is going to look like, because the Xbox One OS runs the same back end as Windows. So we might have a big OS upgrade on the Xbox side as well as the Windows side. So who knows? We might see a lot of big things coming out of Windows 10 this year, 2015. Actually, not this year, but this coming year, 2015. Today is actually 12/31/2014 right now. So just think about this. What do you think about Microsoft building a new web browser as part of its Windows 10 push? What do you think about what could possibly happen with the Xbox as part of Windows 10 coming out this summer, or even it comes out this summer or even this fall. Who knows what could happen? They usually do fall updates for dashboards for Xboxes and summer updates for Windows versions. So who knows what could happen? But yeah, this is Microsoft's new push. They're trying to release. They're hopefully they might be talking about a new web browser that they're planning on pushing out. That's going to feel more like Chrome and Firefox. So you can take a look at this link. I'll post it in the description box below. If you think anything else, feel free to leave a comment. Leave a comment on ZDNet's website. Leave a comment on the comment section below. Whatever you feel like doing, but just think about it. What do you think is going to happen with it? This has been Kweku from Next Gen Windows, and Happy New Year. Peace.